Hi, this is Scott Siskin. I'm the president of First Republic Mortgage Bankers. When you need a mortgage, call First Republic Mortgage Bankers and deal direct. Eliminate the middleman. No mortgage broker fees. Stop wasting your hard-earned money on your high-rate mortgage and your credit cards. You can save every single month by refinancing. You personally can save every month by locking in the lowest rates in over 30 years. And we make house calls to the entire tri-state area 7 days a week. Call 718-380-0006 if you're buying a home or you want to refinance your home. 718-380-0006.
Find out about the FHA Secure program, a program that was designed by the government, Mr. Bush himself, to this program, FHA Secure, to help a lot of individuals who are behind. People who are in adjustable rate mortgages and need to get out. All right? And as I'm losing my voice here, I want you to understand that information is here in the studios. Call us right now at 718-325-5555 and speak with the Vice President of First Republic Mortgage Bankers, John Fahim. He would like to speak with you one-on-one and get you going. John Fahim.
Great.
How you doing, man?
I'm doing great, fine, thank you, man. I'm just still waiting for the gentleman to come in and we can have a surprise live in the studio.
All right. Now, John, I know you want to talk to these people about quite a few refinance options.
Sure.
Why don't you talk to me about that?
Well, we have one of the options you just spoke about, like FHA Secure program, people who have an adjustable rate mortgage and they are behind in the mortgage and they were having a late in the mortgage and they're trying to catch up, but they're having a difficulties because this adjustable rate is like a roller coaster, like a yo-yo. I have so many deals came in over the past weekend to my office, and I'm available over the weekend. As you know, I work 7 days like you, squeeze in my office, and these are the people that really need help. So come out, a lot of folks are getting their rates are getting adjustable and getting adjusted within a month or so, and they're panicking right now because the mortgage is going to go up 600, 700, 800. I have one of my client, his mortgage jumped to 1,400 right now because he took an adjustable rate, and his adjustable rate was just adjusted last month. And what happened is that $1,400, the guy is going to go out bankrupt. He cannot afford to pay the mortgage. So he seek my help. The gentleman live in Middletown. I don't want to mention his name, but he came to my office all the way from Middletown. Can you believe it? It's upstate New York, from Middletown to my Floral Park office. Guess what? He really needs the help. So folks,
you know what I want you to do today personally for me, John?
Yes.
And I know this has happened. It is very prevalent in our community. A lot of folks out there have credit problems. And they're so distraught by these credit problems and believe that they cannot and won't get help. But I want you personally to speak with these people confidentially and privately about their situations and let them know whether or not you can help them, man.
You bet.
Also, I want you to speak to the silent majority. Those individuals who buy their homes and just leave it like that. They don't do anything after that. They don't refinance it. No matter how many bills they have, no matter how much they need cash, they leave it there. The other thing also that I need for you to touch on a little bit, if folks are interested, which I know they are, the reverse mortgages. Okay? If one is 62 years and older and you own your own home, you can get a check for life, for the rest of your life. You can get a lump sum. You can get a check for the rest of your life. Make a call to the radio studios. Speak with John Fahim at 718-325-5555.
Squeeze, the good thing about the reverse mortgage, instead of you to pay the bank will pay you instead. How nice it is. You know what I mean?
You know what? Scott Siskin is going to make sure that we get, of course, the man in the at First Republic Mortgage Bankers who has done so many of these reverse mortgages already on the air, so that we can speak to him and I can quiz him and talk to him, because it is something that I didn't even know existed, and Scott Siskin mentioned it to me. I said, man, it is great for a lot of folks out there who need to feel a lot more comfortable in life, and I think it's a great option for people out there who are retiring and want to make sure that they get a check every month.
Right.
This is the option, and I'm very happy that First Republic Mortgage Bankers, being a bank, is able to offer this loan program for a lot of individuals out there. So people, once again, one stop, one call does it all. Speak with John Fahim right now at the radio studios. He will talk to you about, one, you buying that house, you refinancing that property. What about people with high interest credit cards? Mr. John Fahim. Talk
Well,
to me about that. What
well,
about
you
these
know,
people? Can you
well,
help them?
Yes, absolutely. A lot of folks do have a credit card, like 20, 21%, 18%, 17%, 15%. You know, these credit cards are crunch. You know, once you charge these credit cards, this payment, when it comes to, you say, I'm going to pay the minimum payment. And this minimum payment will never end until your whole life. You keep dragging on paying the credit card, which will never end. And this is the perfect opportunity right now. Pay off all your credit card bills, including your car loan. That is 300, 400, 500, in some cases 700 car payments, and make a one payment. Why
Right.
pay? That will give you a savings of $800, in some cases $1,200 per month. If you have a heavy debts right now, up to your neck, you can't breathe. Let's start breathing right now by doing debt consolidation. Cash out for your home improvement. You need some extra work in your home. Perfect time. You need to pay your tuition bill for your daughter, for your son, for your kids. This is the perfect time right now. Get some additional cash. Get some
All right,
pay
man.
off all your debts, you know.